Hello friends, welcome to my channel CM's Biology. Today in this video lecture we will learn about the digestive system of human. Till the end of this video we will learn the different parts of the digestive system of human and the alimentary canal. So first let's draw the diagram of the alimentary canal of human so that we can easily label the different parts and learn how they work. So look, here I am drawing a diagram of the digestive system of human. So this is the buccal cavity, this is the nasal cavity, and it will continue downward, the esophagus, then the stomach is present. It is the stomach, and after this the small intestine, this is the gallbladder and the liver, this is the pancreas, the small intestine will continue downward. It is a very coiled tube, the coiled tube, then it will lead to, this is the vermiform appendix, then this one is the large intestine which will continue like this, and finally the rectum and the anus. So this is a rough diagram of the digestive system of human. Here we have the buccal cavity, this is the buccal cavity. Okay, so buccal cavity is also known as mouth cavity or oral cavity. Then the long tube, the food pipe or the esophagus, then the wider part, that is the stomach. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. Total alimentary canal starts from mouth to anus, and between the long pipe, in the long pipe, the widest part is our stomach. So these are two important glands. This one is the liver and this one is pancreas. This narrow coiled tube is our small intestine. This is the small intestine, and this one is our large intestine. The large intestine is called large not because of its length but of its width. The diameter of large intestine is much more as compared to the small intestine. Finally we have the anus at the end. So this is the structure of, I can write here, this figure represents the structure of human digestive system. And the digestive system is divided into two parts. They are the alimentary canal and the digestive gland or the associate gland. So the digestive system is made up of two different parts. One is the alimentary canal, that is the long narrow coiled tube, starts from the mouth to the anus. Okay, and the second one is the associated glands. So what are the important associated glands? The buccal cavity has the salivary gland, the mucus glands, liver, pancreas. Here The small pouch-like structure present below the liver is known as gallbladder. All these constitute the associated glands. So these two, the alimentary canal and the associated glands, together form the digestive system of human. So the digestive system of human is divided into 4 different zones. Clear? 4 different zones. So what are the different zones? First, we have the ingressive zone. The ingressive zone, and the ingressive zone means the part of the alimentary canal that helps in, that is related with the intake of food or ingestion of food is included in the ingressive zone. So the ingressive zone, under ingressive zone, the buccal cavity is there. So in the buccal cavity we have the lips, the teeth, the tongue, etc. So they play important role in taking food inside the alimentary canal for digestion. So buccal cavity is the part which is under ingressive zone. The next zone is progressive zone. The progressive zone. So progressive zone means this zone helps in taking the food from our buccal cavity or from the mouth cavity to the digestive part, which plays important role in digestion of food. So progress means it will take the food forward. Okay, so what are the different parts that are under progressive zone? The first one is esophagus and the second one is the stomach. So esophagus and stomach comes under progressive zone. The next zone is digressive zone. Digressive zone. So digressive means it is related with digestion of food, because this zone helps in making the complex food simplify. This is the reason why the zone is called digressive zone, because it helps in digestion of food. So the part which plays most important role in converting complex food to simple form is the small intestine. So the small intestine comes under digressive zone. Finally, the last zone is the egressive zone. Egressive zone. So the egressive zone is related with egestion of undigested materials or elimination of unwanted material from our body. This zone is concerned with the formation of fecal matter and removal of feces or undigested material from our body. It stores the undigested material and eliminate it from our body. So the part which comes under egressive zone is the large intestine. So the large intestine along with the anus and rectum. Large intestine and anus plays important role in the formation of the fecal matter and its elimination from our body. So large intestine comes under egressive zone. So these are the 4 important zones: ingressive, progressive, digressive and egressive zone. And remember, these 4 zones are present in the alimentary canal, the very important part of the digestive system of human. So once food enters through the mouth, it passes through the buccal cavity and esophagus to reach the stomach. Then it passes through the small intestine. Finally, it reaches the large intestine, and the food which is undigested remains in complex form, is passed out from our body through the anus. Clear? So this is the structure of the human digestive system, different zones of our alimentary canal, and what are the important associated glands which help in the process of digestion. In my next lecture, we will discuss about different parts of the alimentary canal and their role in the digestion of different types of food. As we know, the complex foods are carbohydrate, protein and fat. So how they get digested in our alimentary canal with the help of different enzymes that are secreted from the digestive glands. So thank you very much.